what it's like to lose. Feel so desperately that you're right.
And to fail, nonetheless. It's frightening.
Dread it, run from it, destiny arrives all the same.
And now it's here, should I say. I am.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to The Green Order. It's your boy Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, because I'm snapping my fingers and I'm turning your financial problems to dust. Today, we're diving into year-end tax planning, a strategy that can literally save you thousands of dollars before December 31st. I'm going to share 3 game-changing moves you need to make right now to maximize your tax refund or to minimize your tax bill altogether. Stick around, because at the end, I'll tell you how you can actually book a one-on-one session with me to lock in your tax savings. First, you want to assess your current tax situation. So step 1, you got to know where you stand. Have you paid enough taxes this year, or are you overpaying or underpaying? That's the question. Now, to find out, you want to check your pay stubs, your W-2s, or your 1099s and compare them to last year's tax return. Now, if you've underpaid, you still have time to adjust. Here's a quick tip. You'll want to use the IRS withholding calculator or your pay stub to check for underpayment. Next, you want to maximize your deductions. Charitable donations, business expenses, medical costs. These can all lower your taxable income. But the key to this is timing. For example, did you know you can donate to your favorite charity before December 31st of this year and actually claim it on this year's taxes? If you're a business owner, consider making big purchases now, like equipment, so you can write them off. Now, the third thing you want to look at is boosting retirement contributions. One of the easiest ways to reduce your taxable income is by contributing to your retirement accounts. If you haven't maxed out your 401k or IRA, now is the time to do that. It's a win-win. You lower your taxes and you're investing in your future. Now, if all this sounds overwhelming, don't worry, I've got your back. You can actually book a consultation with me today, and we'll create a personalized plan to save you as much money as possible before the year ends. What you'll want to do is check the link in the description or DM me on Instagram to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. And remember, this is just one piece of the Green Order's plan to snap your financial problems into dust. God bless you all. Gone.